So, what are you gonna sing?
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
I'll be the one if you want me to.
Hi! This is Mercedes Studebaker. And my name is Kaylin. And this beautiful ratchet dog right here is Rosie Roller. Okay, now I'm going to be playing... I don't know. Oh, that is so horrible. Hey, that was cool for a second.
So right now we're waiting for the rest. So.
Yeah, we're waiting for our friends.
Yes, because
And her sister.
Yes. Yes.
So, you want to know some facts about us? She's a senior, I'm a sophomore. My favorite color is blue, her favorite color is
Red.
red. Oh my goodness, you bruised out.
Hit that now, girl.
That song was actually the...
Oh look, they're here. They're here. They're here.
Welcome to our
Humble home.
welcome
Oh,
to
and then-
hell.